Hey there everybody, Steve Landry here at Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues, 181 Bank Street, London, Connecticut. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a quick little cocktail sauce that we're going to pass over onto Jack for a shrimp cocktail, peel and eat. So here, we got about 10 ounces of ketchup. Use Red Gold Organic on this. We're going to do, say, about 3-4 tablespoons of fresh horseradish. We got about 1.5 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And about 1 ounce of Worcestershire. We'll throw this in. There we are, good to go. We can smell the horseradish coming right off of it. So I'm going to hand this over to Jack for the peel and eat shrimp video.
Okay, so we're going to do a peel and eat shrimp. So that's even a little bit too much water. It's just plain water. So I hate when you do peel and eat shrimp. They do a ton of water. All the flavor of the shrimp goes into the water. So you lose all the good flavor. So got blackened seasoning, lemon juice. A little bit of red pepper flake, a little bit of garlic. Bring that up to a nice boil. Is that gonna be enough for you, Paula? We need a few more? We need a few more. So what I like to do is just nice concentration of flavor. Let's cover that for a second. They all get nice and red all the way through. We're just barely cooking them. Then what we'll do is pull them out, put them right on the plate. I was gonna add ice. Don't add ice, just let them go. And they're delicious, warm, medium, like lukewarm and cold. My sisters came down, and my 2 sisters from Charlotte were here over the weekend. I made them 4 pounds of this shrimp. Hey, you gotta take care of family, right?
That's right.
You don't do that.
It's all about.
Who are you gonna take care of?
Smells good.
Hey, Richard, I think we can put that ice back. I'm not gonna use it. So, Melody, you throw me a cup, please. I got a round plate right here. Yep, some of Steve's Mega cocktail sauce. Almost there. Oh, we're gonna need one here before we go out to the bar. Gotta make sure we get them cooked all the way through. Because you know they're not submersed. They're not submersed in the liquid.
So how do you know when they're done?
They're almost there.
Like,
Nice solid, no light color, they're all pink, cooked all the way through. home. And then we do peel these and then throw ice on them. And you know, all that flavor. So I'll tell you what, I use this, I cool it down, and I pack the peel on each shrimp. Pour that, when it's cold, pour it over, put it in the refrigerator, you're all set. Who can handle one of these? I don't know. Probably that's probably a little cooler. What I do is put a little bit of blackened seasoning over the top too. Then, you know, you lick your fingers, you got that. Make you want to drink another cold beer. Right?
Wow.
Right?
That's awesome.
So, I just ordered a bunch of emeralds. Or no, Paul Prudhomme. It's Cajun Magic. You can order it online. Scandinavia Spice Company out of Florida. And this I made myself, but you can order that. You can order gumbo filet. It was a chef-owned company. He was a chef down in Coral Springs around the same time that I was involved in the restaurant down there. He got out of the cooking business and started a spice company. And he passed away, unfortunately, a few years back. His daughter and his wife still run a company, Scandinavian Spice Company. They got Emerald's gumbo filet, and support a family-owned business. Makes you feel good. That's it. Danny Jacks Go With The Blues. Paul Orsini, Peltier, Glenn Peltier on camera. Wouldn't be able to do these videos without you. Love you all. Peace. Happy Thanksgiving.